Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, you're looking at the fourth video in a series of videos related to one-step equations. But in this case, we're going to be working with one-step equations related to multiplication, and we have three big examples to show you how we can find what the variable is worth when we isolate the variable through division. Now, let's take a look at big example one, in which we have 9c is equal to 153, or 9 times c is equal to 153, keeping in mind that we're going to isolate the variable c through division because we know that c is the variable. And so what we're going to do in this case, we're going to divide by 9. Well, why do we divide by 9? Because 9 is the coefficient of c, or 9 is connected to c, and so in order to get c by itself, we will have to divide by 9, and we're going to do that. So 9 divided by 9 right here will give us 1c right here, or just c, and 153 divided by 9 will give us 17, and that lets us know that c is equal to 17, and we can check it by multiplying 9 times 17, and when we do that, 9 times 17 will give us 153, and that lets us know again that c is equal to 17. But let us move to big example 2, in which we have 17m is equal to 238. And the question is, well, what number is m? What number times 17 would give me 238? What number is hiding behind m that when multiplied by 17 would give me that 238? And we do that by isolating the variable through division, because we know in this case, m is the variable, and we're going to divide by 17 because 17 is the coefficient of m, right? It is the number next to m. And so we divide by 17, 17 divided by 17, right, would just give me that 1, which just leaves m, or 1m, or just m right here. So we know that m was equal to 14 because 238 divided by 17 will give us 14. And we can prove that by multiplying 17 by 14, and that would give us 238. And we discovered that 14 is that magic number that was hiding behind m all along. So m is equal to 14. And let us move to big example 3, in which we have 23q is equal to 184. We're going to isolate the variable through division, and that variable is q. And the question is, what number is hiding behind door number q, right? Because we know that q is the variable, and of course, we're going to divide by 23 because 23 is the coefficient of q. And when we divide by 23, that would give us 1q right here. And we know that 184 divided by 23 will give us 8. And we see that q is equal to 8 because 23 times 8 will equal 184. And again, q is equal to 8. You have been given quite a bit of information. I wouldn't blame if you need to pause the video to take a look at these three big examples again, or replay this video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.